Ebusha fama mema akwaba efa umbra Ghana and 7 TV GH message or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime you post a video, we will sabeka be. Ebusha for let me also use this opportunity to say happy new month and thank you for your faithfulness and loyalty to Ghana and 7 TV GH. Ebusha for nkofo bebre declare my intention to contest the upcoming national executive election of the NPP. Eba no chairmanship position and so far your name Boache Jako, John Boedu, Afoko, Chairman Wontumi. I think so far these are the four, I think Boache Jako, Afoko, Chairman Wontumi, John Boedu. So far. Now, one particular candidate of interest to me. Now, I'm not by any way trying to disadvantage this candidate because say the Ghana TV there is a large populace and there are people who might be on the side of the person I'm talking about. But I'm just asking questions, which questions I believe say they are very legitimate and which when answered it would help all of us in our conversations. My question that I'm asking is Paul Afoko, Honorable, champion a certain cause. And the cause is championing seems to create the impression as though Honorable Kennedy Ohini a Japan is indispensable. Or NPP mu. As if the moment NPP lets go of Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan is going to spell doom for the party. Well, my question is does it mean say Paul Afoko talk about as chairman behavior as exhibited by Honorable Kennedy Japan is behavior that you were going to tolerate? Again, I'm asking myself, say, a veteran like Paul Afoko, is he suggesting, say, we can have the kind of laissez-faire statements, threats spilled in public domain and still be a formidable force to contest against NDC? I'm just asking. Because I don't understand this whole agenda. NPP is a democratic political party. Some youth felt aggrieved by some of the statements Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan make here. And they went to showcase their anger when they realized the National Executive Committee Council Asia. And from the statements coming from Paul Afoko, I say, there youth no year, something that it was an act of indiscipline or it was an act geared at dividing the party further. I am wondering to get this analogy. Because when you take what the youth did, which is going to demonstrate, and you compare it to the extent of damage done by the statement that Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan makes in public, assuming Christ said two of these things are evil, we'll go for the lesser evil. Lesser evil, which is the youth, and demonstrating against what they feel is an anti-party conduct. Well, I leave it to you, our viewers, to judge. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And let me also say, you can support a channel way through your donations. Your donations keep us going. Your donations help us to get equipment, purchase data, and stuff to keep bringing you the news you love so much. Like, share, comment. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere.
Okay.
Kennedy. Yeah. Because I want to unite this party. Yes. And me can't train them. See Kennedy. My bow said me be can't say I'm going to contest. And when I win, I'm coming to ask you to come back and work strongly for the party because what continue, baby? You are no longer active. And please, me ba. Na me no wakasa. And then he said to me, hey, senior, that's why you call me. He said, senior, who can contest me? Say, I. And yako, who win abla na yankasa. And for me, that was good because he didn't shut the door. He didn't say me, and so when I heard that the same day, I almost called National Council say, when I hear petition against me, he said, they even prepared placards and they almost demonstration say, Pam Kennedy. How?
And some people displayed it.
And we are digging the hole. You are in a hole, you want to come out, you are digging it.
Oh, dear mommy. Medical. I am Yamiba medical. Or the two extra picture. Medical, the two extra picture, one fan could be out. You're remanded for 2 weeks into prison custody because on one two our license we jina one fee at the extra picture. Adwo Safunua Akofina oda and the boys my shuti Adwo Safoka more than 40 times. More than 40 times. An unarmed woman, oba won crack you kind. You're shooting more than 40 times. Police for Akofina fee or munya etio more than 200. But ye didn't call courts. Emma quarter or munya competent to trial murder case, attempted murder case, Emma ni bail. Obi posti ade with social media krampa yetimi remanded no 2 weeks, 1 month. Na oye Ghana ni a waka wanwa to. Die me aye me wanwa. Me die aye me wanwa. Ene say onyame mfama no ensi sumi na so. Say honorable Addo Sackɛd U a enka yebehu MP4 enka yebehu NPP4 and Kiebe Fida, lawyer for ma. And Madam Lydia Donko, CI the boss. And Kiebe who post. And he said, you won't be at Renchie. E won't fee. Addo Sackɛd U, everybody is quiet. Me, mammy, or ye later. Who ye deputy chief of staff, who ye member of FIDA. Honorable Addo Sackɛd U, a member of FIDA, or your lawyer neighbor, or your former member of parliament, or your former minister of gender. Yet even the gender ministry is quiet. Sometimes, most of the time, Mama who say more time will be this baffles my mind. This baffles my mind. And as a citizen, not a spectator, I am asking, say, to me, Ben at Dental Circuit Court, and what the trial attempted murder case. And our charges, Ben, I'm with the court. Addo Sackɛd U is not being treated fairly. And some of us, this year, a woman supporting women, we will demand justice. And we are demanding justice for Honorable Addo Sackɛd U. Akofina needs to be arrested and charged again. And charged again. And an accomplice. And I don't know where Chief Justice. Adena moyesa. Is Ghana a banana republic? And man ye duma be among. And then man ye duma will be no soon and ye duma will. Adena moyesa. Why are you treating Addo Sackɛd like a criminal? Ghana for Mamun sorry. NPP for Ma Ayedi Women Caucus Parliament Makamanwatum Minority Women in Parliament Makamanwatum. Oh my ben here children. Oh my ben, because then I had was unfortunate. It can be you. It can be you. We demand justice for the honorable minister. We demand fucking justice. Akufo is not better than anybody. One must so so and her. We are demanding justice.
Good morning, fellow Ghanaians. We dear men kaimo na nadon chia abra COVID by no. Obema kukodrufo baby awo bia na nyankwada. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Papa, this is the time I also know what the one raging pet and at orange we are to warm. This is the time I was watching Ghana for why they voted for you. Because 2024 or campaign message and the internet never forgets. A bit woman will remind you your core mandate. Why people voted for you. And summer we didn't simply so kind. Promises our promises and not flooding eka home. O chastise NPP abai manu look like say they are in government and they don't know what they are doing. Papa, this is the time. And then they went home at a helicopter mu and I'm soro. Sheniema koswo. Yenya regional minister Tibon koswo, mami. Unni abada ye bejina se wa solve all flooding issues. And I expose you. Muna mu bejina ha say, but umiaka say when the fundamentals are weak, the dollar will expose you. When your fundamentals are weak as a regional minister, ubake, the flood will expose you. And surely it has done its best. She bibia no my and politics. Bibia and this be and politics. Is your hypocrisy for me? Enti momo de ene de eye nyame ho sene attorney general kan no. Natural disaster. Yeti hey ensuo to June July bia, you know it. Unni any preparation bia why to for this. And God being in his wisdom no aton suo no because ewuhuro ne dɔɔso enti ne no ukotwa nyame mpoa motia position a obi aka de ye ne de na mo betene mu anu ahu senye saa ne tie enra Excellency mi hwe ni din mi hu ne se ne nsem bia wo kan ya abro gina simpie so no he really want to take it back. But politics dear, that is how you do it. You play with people's mind to get what you want. Na echire ni bibi ba, mudi mutira pempem. Papa, and how far? And how far? Obi amompa yesi abeda so de na nsuo yiri obi ni etete nsuo ani se mpotro. But eba, how you tackle it? Open so mekai ensuo toya ma petrol filling station ja to mu ni ade. Enti nka wo de wo ba ye no. A wo so akwatena fie ehua de. A say wo ba ba ye niema na kwanso no. Ka this will be a thing of the past. A day na esi. Eniema amu buru NPP fo nua e ka kire Ghana fo se nkoyie. You are doing worse. Galamsey. E de ben bibia nkoyie. Ena Ghanaians no dodo ni ewu. Mo am party for no dodo no ewu. But party member will always be a party member. Enti yen kan okra nkyere mo ho. And akura bi esu because one way or the other he or she is being affected. Oko kan so your politics. Mo mpe nokre. NPP tia ben mu na mo ka no na ye so mo ye ne politics enso ne no the yenkwe no koka na mo nyai politics. Who does politics best with these issues more than NDC? Yet ha na ye friends akosombo yiriye e de be na manye oku de to blakwa platform be no amount I just say ama no opportunity. NDC 2028 Allah I don't know the mobile bill Amagana for Ajanasisa. People are losing their lives, their homes. Abijinaha, ebe bastardizing it. It's as if say it's normal. May God forgive you politicians.